Hey there, it is I, Morty Oberstein from Rank Ranger, and today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to check for possible cases of keyword cannibalization, and it's a way that's really easy. It'll take you a minute or two, and it doesn't require any exporting to a CSV and copying and pasting and whatnot. It's really easy and really simple, and I'm going to use our new SEO dashboard that exists in our UI that's currently in beta, and head over to the fluctuations page. You'll see a widget here called rank fluctuations and behavior, and this widget you can put in, you can put on the rank tab up here, etc., but it automatically shows up here, and you'll notice cannibalization. I wonder what that is. So here are all of the instances, the keywords, and the pages that are possible scenarios of keyword cannibalization for the EasyJet website. So let's just deal with this first one here. Europe flights ranks number 2 on the SERP, and see what's going on, because yes, there seems to be an instance of keyword cannibalization, but what's going on? Showing up on the Google SERP with more than one page could be an awesome thing. It could not be an awesome thing. It all depends. And well, is Google showing this other page once in a blue moon, or is this like an everyday occurrence? So to determine if there's an actual case, let's use the landing page monitor. So here we have the keyword Europe flights on the landing page monitor. And we can see there's basically 2 pages that rank for this keyword for the EasyJet site. One is a page dedicated towards showing cheap flights for the US, which doesn't make sense if your keyword is Europe flights. And you can see each of these markers is another ranking instance, and it ranks pretty high pretty often. This blue line, that's a page for cheap flights in general, which will be fine. Europe, US, it's just a cheap flight. The user, whether trying to go to Europe or in Europe, can use that page. In the US, not in the US, can use that page. It seems to be like a generic page that would satisfy anybody. And that one also ranks pretty high, pretty often, and you can see that Google is alternating between the 2 pages. So quite often, someone doing a search for Europe flights, looking for a flight, is going to get that US page, which I would assume EasyJet might not really want. The user might bounce it. I'm not looking for a US flight. Why are you showing me US deals? I'm looking for, you guessed it, Europe flights. So that's an easy way where you can use the new keyword cannibalization report within the new beta dashboard that we have, and combine that with the landing page monitor to identify cases of keyword cannibalization. Again, didn't have to download anything, didn't have to export anything, didn't have to copy, paste, pull, reorganize, shuffle, analyze. We're at 2 minutes and 55 seconds in, and I've completed my process. So hope you enjoy this, and check out our new beta reports inside of Rank Ranger. Until the next time we speak, have a good one.